Hi friends, welcome to Ascent Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to repair a drone and what inside a drone. So let's start the project. You can see here the drone is not working. One of the propeller is in stop condition. So first open all the propeller blade one by one. So I will dismantle the entire drone and I will see what inside a drone and I will try to repair it. So I'm opening all the propellers. After that I will dismantle the entire drone. So if you want to repair a drone, you have to dismantle all the parts so that you could able to work easily and it will be helpful to repair. So there are a lot of screws. First dismantle the battery, the most important thing. So I have dismantled the batteries and now I will try to open all the screw one by one. Please note, you have to make sure the screws are all in position. So I have opened it. You can see the main circuit board, it controls everything and there is no other circuit. Only one PCB board is provided and the entire circuit is in it. So now I will unsolder the motor from its position and I will replace it. So now I will show you the arm part. To dismantle the arm part, you have to open 5 number of screws and then after that you have to dismantle the gear unit from the motor. So here is the gear unit with motor. So just pull the motor, it will come out. So I have replaced the motor with new one and now I will test it. You can see friend, now all the propeller is working and the drone is in working condition. So thank you friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button.